Right, so I'm going to talk to you guys real quick about the headlight relays, what you get when you get an aftermarket one. Melee makes one, and also this other brand that we have. And when you do this, if you wonder, when you hook it up, your headlights, the headlight does not work, your high-low beam does not work. What they have to have is they have a 5-wire instead of a 4-wire. So you'll find there's one extra prong here, okay? What has to happen is, okay, your white wire with a black stripe is your headlight hot. So when you turn on your headlights, this wire here energizes, right? This one right here, the white with a black stripe. And what it does is it separates the high beam from the low beam, okay? So it brings the hot here from when you turn your headlight switch on, this becomes hot. So what you have to have is a jumper wire from here to this one, I think is 56. Okay, it has to jumper from here to energize the relay, because the new relays are not self-energizing like the old ones were. So you have to make sure that you hook up this little jumper wire like I'm showing you. You know, you get rid of the alligator clip. What we do is we put another one of these little slip connectors on, a 3-way slip connector. So you see here we put a little piggyback on here and hook this up. So it's a little wire from here to here. You see the jumper, little white wire that I put on there, that is required to energize the relay. So if you kind of understand, this becomes hot when you turn on your headlights, right? The white wire with the black stripe becomes hot as soon as you turn your headlights on. And then what that does is that will bring power to here. You bridge that over to here, and what that does is that makes the relay work. Without that wire hooked up, that additional wire, the relay, you'll think it's bad, you'll want to send it back. It's not bad, it just needs to be powered up like this. The old ones, you see here, they only had 4 wires. So as soon as you turned your headlights on this one, the headlights, it had a bridge wire inside of it to energize the relay. And then when you do your high-low switch, it would go from this one to this one, or however it's hooked up. I don't remember, I'm not touching the right terminals, but if you get what I'm talking about, it's basically, it takes what the relays do is they take power from the white wire with the black stripe, and they either maneuver it to the white wire or the yellow wire, right? High and low beam. So that's what this relay does. So what this does here is makes the relay be able to work. That's all it does. All right. So hopefully that helps you understand that. If you run into that problem, it's, you know, there might be a wiring diagram somewhere on the internet for it, but that's basically what you're doing. I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Please like, share, and subscribe.